Hey everyone, so today I'm going to be swatching the California Love Colourpop palette, so if you want to see the swatches, just keep watching. Make sure to subscribe, comment down below any videos you'd like to see me do, and go follow my Instagram, MakeupByTashaXO. So now that you've seen the swatches, let's talk about them. First off, you guys know I love Colourpop. It's my favorite brand. Unfortunately, this palette did not come with a mirror, but most of these like 14 or something eyeshadow palettes usually don't come with a mirror. Hopefully they change that. This retails for I think $18 US. This is beautiful. I think this is such a good palette for most people, especially people who like neutrals but like oranges and stuff like that too. My only critique with this palette is really that it's just not my style right now. Honestly, all the shadows swatched beautifully, and like the mattes were pigmented, the metallics were pigmented. It does come with a glitter. I know a lot of people don't like the glitters. The glitter is okay. It's not my favorite type of glitter. It's just a brown glitter. It's nothing amazing, but I do think that this palette is worth it if you like the color scheme. The formula is amazing.